Hi everyone. Right, okay, so today is just like a Roccabox. We've got, I think it's Roccabox, sorry. So it comes in this pink casing. Oh, I just scratched myself there. Caught myself. Right, okay, so this is open it. Oh, by the way, Roccabox is, you can pay £10 a month and you can cancel at any time, or you pay 6 months will be £54, or 12 months is 102. Plus you have £3.95 postage and packaging. Right, so I just pay the £10 a month one because I cancel it if I want to, but actually I'm thinking about getting it over the year because you will save yourself a little bit of money, and this is like ridiculous. I need to get my scissors onto the job, so I'm just gonna get my scissors. Okay, let's just cut this open. I'm thinking it is Roccabox. Just thinking, I never even checked. As you'll see, I'm just opening it now. So it is Roccabox. I can't see the white box. You see it? It definitely is a Roccabox. And I told you the prices of it, so yeah, so it's like £10 a month, 54 or 102. Plus you still have your £3.95 P&P. Right, so this is Roccabox. I like the white box. It comes in a rose gold Roccabox writing. It is definitely Roccabox. I think that this month is the party one, it's the birthday one, because they've been going for over a year. So well done to Roccabox. It's like, hooray, happy birthday Roccabox, happy birthday to you. You've been going for a year, and it is a really good box, the Roccabox. So right, so here we go. You see it? Right. So I don't want to see that just yet. So I'll take that away. Oh my gosh, it looks like a full box. So I'm just going to pick out an item and have a look at it. Oh, we've got a fizzberry. I like anything fizzy, and this is going to be interesting. And it's like a gentle cream foam. Is it a shower gel? I don't know, but it's like fizzy berry is a Boloi gentle cream foam. So it's a foam lotion, so it's ideal for when you've been in the bath and you just want to come out and put something on, make your skin feel nice and smell nice. So it's made with love, passion, yummy fragrances to sweeten up your day, fizzy berry smells. Right, so let's just have a try that. Okay, wow, you only need a little bit. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. I love the scent of it. It's like I'm getting like a scent of blackberries. Sorry if you can hear that, that's my son. It's like, oh wow. Oh, I can't wait to go in the shower now and use that. That's just like, oh, it's amazing. I can't go on about that anymore. I just love it. And hopefully that is like in the major supermarket so I can buy it, but it doesn't have to be a major supermarket. Right, okay, so then we got a brush cleaner, and this will go in my giveaway for 300 subscribers. So get subscribing, like, give me a comment, and if you want to be added to my 300 subscribers, because that's definitely going in the subscriber giveaway. And wow, what is this? Dr. Lip original nipple balm. Guys, this I've heard about on the internet. It's supposed to be like really good if you have dry like lips. You can put it on your lips. It's exactly the same as Dr. Pawpaw, but I'm just riving up the box just to get this out. So yeah, and this is it here. Come on, come to me. Right, so there. Oh, it feels like It feels so really light. It doesn't feel like there's much product in there, and it's only really tiny. Look at that, so tiny. It does say Dr. Lip Original Nipple Balm for Dry Skin. A luscious lips, so it does say, yeah, it's just a lip balm really, and it's glossy bits, and it's 100% natural, but there doesn't look to be much like there is in there. Much stuff at all, so I'm just actually going to try it and get that off. Right, okay, so there is this? No, it's not even going to come out for me. Come on, out you come. I don't think there's anything in there. I think that's empty. Oh, no, it's not empty. You just have to squeeze really hard, but there it is. Like, that is like a thick yellow substance, so it's ideal like if you've got like, I'm trying to think of trying to get some dry skin somewhere. I don't really suffer with it, but oh, it's like really, it smells like a Vaseline. I'm getting the scent of Vaseline. It's like Vaseline, it's exactly like Vaseline, but actually I don't think I would rush out and buy that, because actually I bet you that Vaseline does exactly the same job. So this better be like really cheaper than Vaseline, because it's like, because Vaseline's really cheap, isn't it? Right, okay, so then the next item we got is the Larizzi. What is this? Oh, it's a Larizzi lip gloss. There we go. Got a Larizzi lip gloss. Sorry if you can hear noises. It's just my son come back. Oh, that is like a, that. I was expecting it to be coloured, but it's so bright. Not bright. It's no colour at all. Right. Okay. Oh, that's just my daughter come back. Oh no, I better not put that on without lipstick. No. Right, okay, so that is that. So we got that. That's just going to be back, and my daughter's back at the same time, so my life is going to be hectic. Then we got the Larizzi. Now then, this is like a Larizzi, what is it? Larizzi lip pencil. It's the crayon. So here we go. Oh, wow. Oh, that's a nice colour. So there we go. As you see, it's like salmon pink. Can you see that? It's really nice. I like that. Then we got, this is what I've been waiting for. Now this is what I do like. This is the Pro Base Prime Conceal Correcting Wheel. Now then, if you have redness on there, like your cheeks, the green one is for you. To get rid of purple, like purple that's underneath your eyes, the yellow one is the best. To get rid of bags underneath your eyes, the slightly lighter yellow one is going to be your friend, because that is what works. This actually you can use as a like a contour. I will actually show you how I do this, because I have one I use all the time. If I can get into it, come on. No, it's not going to work for me. Right, improvise a screw. Drop a screw. Is the screw going to be my friend? Is this screw going to work for me? Yes, it did. Thank you. You worked nicely for me. Right, okay. And right, so the green one is for redness. So like if you have red, see, it just blends really nicely in. The purple one, like I said, is like for purple. It's where I said, what did I say purple was for? No, I didn't say purple was for anything. I said that yellow was getting rid of purple. I don't know what the purple one is. So yeah, so like yellow down there. Yellow again on that side. Because you want it to blend. Oh, that is feeling really nice. And it's actually blending in superbly. I do like it. I'm just going to put on a bit more of that green to get rid of that red, because the green does that perfectly. Right, so now I'm going to show you the contour bit. It doesn't say it's contour, but I bet you could use it as contour. I do use it. That's that. You see it? So down that side and just blend it in. It's slightly contouring, only just slightly, but so yeah, so that's how I use this. That's my colours. I use the yellow, green and the brown one just to give it a little bit of shade, and then I just blend it in. Right, okay, so now I'm going to go back to the leaflet because this is an amazing box, Roccabox. I like this. This is my favourite item of them all. So yeah, so we got this. This is full sized, by the way, and this is £6. So remember, I paid £10 for this box and £3.95 postage packaging, and so I'm already £6 well in. And then we got the Larizzi. Now where is the Larizzi? Oh, this is the Duplips. This is $4.99. It's not worth $4.99. I wouldn't even bother buying that at all. Right, so another one of my favourites. I loved this. This is a right, so I liked this. This is £3.99, full-sized item. And I also, right, let's get the Larizzi done. This is £12, it's full-sized item, as well as the Larizzi crayon. And I don't know where it's gone. Right, so the Larizzi crayon is also £13, and it's here. We have it here, so that's the Larizzi crayon. Sorry for that. Right, so this is also in, this is going in my giveaway, and this is £7.99. Right, okay, so we've come to the end of the box, and it says, hello lovelies, well it's March, which means it's your first birthday. Yes, Roccabox is 1 this month. How did that happen? To celebrate a year, bringing to you the best beauty world has to offer, and to thank you for all your support, we're treating you to some truly gorgeous gifts. Well, you have done, Roccabox. This is brilliant. And so, true star, we aren't coming 1 day as your birthday, but instead we're talking over the whole month. Thank you very much, which means that all of our Roccabox lovelies are in for a month of presents. So what do we have in store for you? Well, we have 5 full-size products, a cult favourite and product that we promise to transform your makeup. Right, okay, so that's what they have. We want, right, and so that's Roccabox for this month. Does it have any sneak peeks of what we get in the next month? No, it doesn't. Right, so that is the end of this month's Roccabox. So if you like this video, thumbs up, like, share, please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye bye.